This beach is so peaceful.
Wow! Shiny things everywhere. Dee-dee! Those are shells.
Oh, look at the patterns on these.
Big shell. Mine! I got it! Careful.
The tide is rising.
Don't escape! Don't escape! Cold! That's why we stay dry.
Nesting crew Curie, this is a perfect spot.
Hey, we have plenty now. All right, just one.
I love days like this.
Oops! All right, time to go.
Before the tide rises more.
Best day ever. Tonight is perfect. Christmas fireworks with Olivia. I hope everything goes smoothly. Hello, Oggy! Heard there's a fireworks show. Mind if I crash the party? Marky? This is supposed to be a calm evening. No chaos, please. Relax, Blue Furball. I only came for the sparkly explosions in the sky, not to explode your stuff. Just behave. Olivia is coming soon. Soon.
Good evening, boys. Are you ready for the Christmas fireworks show?
Hi, Olivia. Everything is set. I made cocoa and even added marshmallows.
Ow, Oggy. That's so thoughtful.
Marshmallows, fireworks, Christmas. This night is already perfect. Marky, don't eat all the snacks. Who? Me? I would never. Okay, maybe just one. Wow! Look at that! It's like the sky is having a sugar rush.
It's beautiful. I've never seen fireworks this bright.
Christmas magic makes everything sparkle. Hey, look! That one looks like a giant candy cane exploding.
Marky, your timing is terrible. Oh, come on, Oggy. He's excited. Let him enjoy the show.
Finally, someone understands my artistic appreciation.
This is the best Christmas night I've ever had. Mine too, Oggy.
I'm okay. The fireworks overwhelmed my balance. If every Christmas looked like this, I'd never cause trouble again. Well, almost. Let's just appreciate the moment, all right? Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, my sparkly friends! Wow, all this snow. Maybe today can actually be fun. Incoming! Snowball surprise! You're it now!
Baby pocket full of skin, this was my speed to eat. Oh!
Direct hit! That's 1 point for me! Marky? This was supposed to be a peaceful day! Peaceful? With this much snow? Impossible! All right, Team Chaos versus Team Blue Cat! There are no teams. Who did that? If you want a snowball fight, I'll give you one. I'm fine. Totally part of the plan. I can't believe I'm saying this, but this is actually fun. Told ya. Snow brings out the chaos.
Christmas Eve baking. Calm, quiet, and perfect. Olivia will love these cookies.
Smells like Christmas snacks, Axe Oggy. Joey, get out of my kitchen. I'm baking for Christmas. Relax, Blue Buddy. I'm just, supervising quality control.
Merry Christmas Eve! I brought toppings for the cookies. Olivia!
Olivia! Perfect timing!
Oh, really? And what have you baked so far?
Joey, please. Just this once, behave.
Everything has to be perfect tonight.
Christmas Eve is the most peaceful night of the year.
Look at all that food! Christmas is delicious! Quiet, you glutton. We need a plan. Tonight, we steal Oggy's Christmas feast without him noticing. Hey! Hey! What's going on? Merry Christmas! Surprise! Tonight is supposed to be peaceful. No chaos, no stealing, no noise. But Oggy? Christmas cookies taste better at night. Out of the kitchen. Kitchen. N-O-W.
Ooh, shiny. Dee, should we?
No! The tree!
Stop touching everything!
Stop touching everything. Big box. That must be big food. Or a giant chocolate bar. No! Don't touch my present! Great! Now what? It wasn't me. Probably. Crunchy. It's Christmas. Maybe I should try being nicer. Okay, you two. How about we celebrate together? Just this once. Together? With snacks? Now that's the spirit. Christmas is almost here. My house needs to look amazing this year.
Oh, I'm sure I saw you there.
Oh. Oh no. Everything is still plain. I need help. Fast. Oggy, buddy, I heard you're decorating today. Stand back. I'm a professional light untangler. Whoa! Of course I'm sure. Maybe Olivia should help too.
Good morning, boys. Ready to make this the cutest Christmas house ever? Olivia, thank goodness you're here.
Oh, come on.
Perfect. I call this Jack's Super Spiral Christmas Design. This is the life. Totally intended.
Oggy, your house is going to look magical. Just trust the process.
Jack, turn it off! Turn it off! It's not me. It has a mind of its own.
I'm okay.
I think I tasted plastic.
Wow, it's beautiful. Thank you, both of you. This is the best Christmas surprise ever.
Oh no, this is bad. That roof can't handle much more snow. Look at all this snow! It's like a giant marshmallow! D-D-E-E! Get down right now! You are making it worse! But Oggy, it's so soft and... it's so soft and delicious! That's not food! Relax, Oggy. I've got a plan. We'll clear the snow strategically. That's not strategic. Uh-oh. Okay, we do this slowly and carefully. Careful mode activated.
Careful mode deactivated.
That's it! Everyone stop! The snow is really pretty up here. Yeah, best view in the neighborhood. All right. Let's finish this properly. We did it! The roof is safe! Well, at least we're ready next time. Just call the professionals. I'll bring my appetite.